What is up, Velcro family? Today is a beautiful day and a great day to prank Kevin. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be pranking him, saying we should have a baby. Now, we've been around so many babies and kids, and I've just been so in love. I've just been talking about all the babies and kids and how I want to have kids, you know, like in the next 2 years or whatever. So I think it's perfect to come to him with this prank saying, let's have a baby now. Like, why wait? So I'm gonna do that sometime today. And I hope he falls for it. You ready to move?
Am I ready to move to Atlanta?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I think it'll be fun. I really think that, we'll do good. Like, we'll do what we're supposed to be doing.
I think like it'll be so much more to do when we're in the house together.
Right.
And I feel like that'll open it up for us.
As far as videos, right? Realistically speaking, if you could just give an estimate, when do you think we'll have a kid? Like, when you think we'll have our first kid?
Like pregnant? When we'll get pregnant?
Sure.
Like a year and a half.
In a year and a half? That's when we'll get pregnant?
I feel like that's a good time. A year and a half.
You think we'll be married by then?
I think so.
It's a long time.
Is it?
It is. You don't think so?
I really don't.
So, if you think we'll be married by then, we would have to be engaged by when?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can get engaged like 3 months before our wedding. 6 months, 36 months.
But even then, like a year and a half,
Mm-hmm.
we would already, have planned the whole wedding and went through it and all that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think that would be more than 3 months worth of planning, right? You don't think so?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. No, but that's what I wanted to talk to you about like a couple weeks ago when I told you.
Mm-hmm.
It was like a week ago. But how do I say this? I don't know. Never mind. It's not important.
Just say it.
I don't know. I just feel like don't like laugh at me or like be mad at me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like our lives would be better if we had a kid.
I mean, I can see where you're getting that from. I can see where you're coming from with that.
Like, if we're gonna be in Atlanta for like a year or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like what else? Like, I mean, I know that's what we talked about, like working and all that,
Mm-hmm.
but that's boring. Like, I mean, it won't be as boring like as far as what we're doing, but I don't know. I feel like at that point that would be like a good time to have a baby.
I think so.
So what are you saying?
What you mean what I'm saying?
So what are you saying? What do you think so?
I'm saying we gonna have to get married then because I do want some kids.
How soon would we get married?
Like a year. When do you want to get married? Tomorrow?
I mean, we don't necessarily have to get married before we, have a baby.
For real? You serious?
You want to have a kid?
I do. I want a kid.
Now?
Well, once we get in Atlanta, we can have a kid. For real. I'm dead serious.
So you think like definitely after your birthday. Like after we go to Vegas and all that, but you serious?
Yeah, I guess I don't want to mess up your birthday either, so we can get
No,
pregnant.
I don't care about my birthday.
We can get pregnant like right before your birthday.
What do you mean right before?
So we can still go to Atlanta and your body can still be open.
I don't care about that. Not if we gonna have a baby. You think I care about a body on my birthday? And I'm about to be a parent? I think that's way more important.
I thought you wanted to get married first.
I mean, I did, but none of what we about to do was expected. Like, it was just, stuff we decided at the moment. So I feel like, we could get pregnant and then
I still will have to ask you that. That's so weird.
they won't know I'm pregnant yet.
So what you saying? Like get pregnant and then get married?
Yeah. And we're gonna be in Atlanta, so they're not gonna know. And we gonna move like on our own within like the first month we're down there.
Mm-hmm.
So nobody's really gonna tell until like 3 months or so. And at that point I feel like, at that point it's us. We good.
I do want some kids. I don't know though.
You don't know what?
I always wanted to get married first.
Me too, but I feel like, me too, but I feel like, why not? Like, I feel like that will make our lives a lot more enjoyable right now.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like it'll also kind of be beneficial in a way because I feel like, because, people love pregnant people. So, we'll get a bunch of, like, attention, like, on the internet. I'm not saying that's why we should have a baby.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm saying if we do have a baby, it would pay the bills, too. Like, it would basically take care of the baby, from the attention that we would get. So, what do you say?
Mm-hmm.
It's a go?
Yeah, we can have a kid.
Seriously?
I'm dead serious.
Why do you say yes?
We can have a kid because I'm saying yes because I want kids.
Mm-hmm.
But I think we can make it happen. If we have a kid, I think we can be successful.
That's so sweet.
I go.
It'll hurt to say it's a prank. I'm sorry, babe. But it's a prank.
You so irritating. Where's the camera?
Behind the TV. Oh man, I don't know. Finally got you.
I'm having no kids.
No, but yeah, we can still have a kid. Like, I really do want a kid. Like, that's obvious. I really do want a kid right now, but I know it's not practical.
You just broke it down. You just made it practical. What are you talking about?
Well, I mean, it was slight, but I convinced you, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
I really convinced you. I don't know, but I do want to be married before we have a kid. I do.
You was making it seem like the 1.5 years was too long.
If we're gonna be married in a 1.5 years, that's not too long. So you gotta propose within like the next 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, sorry to break your heart. But I mean, I'm happy you did agree with it because
You got me ready for a kid.
yeah, me too. But maybe after you propose and marry me. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Kevin is so sweet. Like, he was ready to give us a baby. I convinced him. But that's all. I finally got him like a slight little prank. It was slight, but he didn't know. So I don't know. Comment down below more suggestions if you want to DM me or whatever. If you want to DM him some prank ideas. All of our social media handles are in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video.
Good night.
Good night. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with everyone that you know.
You just said it.
Okay. Bye.